Here's a little bit from a little chief. Oh, hello. You don't know?
The most beautiful creature in the world.
Хорошо, хорошо. Привет, привет, привет. Ты чё, иди домой.
What is up to the minute amount of people that my videos reach out to? Today I got some more feed for all of the animals. Layer feed, goat feed, more goat feed, and cracked corn for the bigger chicks. So how much does it cost to have all these animals? I think too much. That ran me total about $78. And these chicks have been doing so well, so beautiful and big. Oh, hello. Hello, buddies. I'm gonna get you guys some more food today. So the other day, we had 60 to 80 mile-an-hour winds over here. I had some of this metal, I'll show you guys on the other side of the house, fly off. It's up in the front yard. These flew off, almost killed my wife. She was checking on the dogs. They were in the field, and she was about here, and all of this stuff was flapping, you'll see. And then two of these came flying over. Check out this cool feature on the new Tundras. Boom. And yeah, I could carry this 50-pound bag all by myself. We've been putting all of our feed in the sunroom. Grab this crack corn. Woo! Hunter, where did you go? I let you out for 1 hour last night and you went missing. You don't know where you went? You don't know? And then we have these 3/8 cubes and alfalfa. I'm probably gonna put it inside of Seth's tractor. So before I take care of the goat, I'm gonna do all of the chores for the 3 coops. And the geese I moved back over there where Rocky Road used to be. So now that I have 3 coops, I'll take all of them, lay them out, and then I'll do it. Watchale. These Jersey Giants are, how would you say, courageous? I would say another word, but I like to hang this, but the Jersey Giants like to jump in it and it pulls it down. So I'll lay all these up here. All of them. And then we have these, you can see how bent it got from being thrown around. I got this one, it was kind of hard, had to use a stick. You didn't get to see it wet my toes. What? Is that a shell? An oyster shell? What? All the way out here? 4 hours from the ocean? How in the world did that happen? Barnacles. Nah, I'm just kidding. Obviously somebody brought them here, right? Due to that storm, all of my stuff is everywhere. I didn't know where the scooper was, but it blended in with the grass so well. Usually I have it hanging on a chair or something. Gonna grab all 3 of these. And the scooper. These things are... Look at this beautiful, it's about 2-week-old Jersey Giant. 2 or 3 weeks. This is one of our rooster. We have 3 roosters that I feather checked out of the 10, and then the rest are hens. You can already see he's got a nice wattle and crest coming in. What's up, my honey bun, my sugar plum, my #1 fantastic puppy? Album dropping in 2032. Now I'll clean all these off. Come on, dude, you do this for a living. So I'm gonna start putting the feed back in, or the water back in. What are you, a doofus, Nathan? So I have it tied up like that. And here is the water for the younger silkies. They don't tend to poop in there. They are so skittish of me. I'm glad we got a bunch of those orange ones. And then there's 1 or 2 in there that are like different, like that one here. That's a beautiful silky. That came from Tractor Supply when I ordered my 20 silkies the first time. This came in there. There's only 1 in this batch, but I think there's like 2 or 3 or 4 in this other batch. Why don't you count with me? 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. Now I will feed the goats some pellets, all 4 of them. This much, about this much a day. Last is this alfalfa I'm gonna put inside of the sus tractor. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do this all by myself. Are you ready? I just throw the hay in there, and then they have this nice shade from the weather, and then they have 45 gallons of water there that I fill via my tree. My hat says, "Make plywood cheap again." What you think about that, huh? Let's check out how the goats are reacting. I love to see how they interact with each other. Hey, your reaction doesn't work when you just run up to me. Eat your darn food. Oh, you guys ate all of it. Here's a little bit. Here you go, my little chief. Well, that's it for today's video. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.